A lot of people in the IT sector believe that the jobs of freshers and entry level talent is at risk, and I don't agree completely with that. I agree partially because I feel that people in their 40s are also at risk. Why? We are going to discuss in our today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So the first thing that I want to discuss with you all is that AI. What is exactly happening with AI? A lot of companies have now started using AI tools and chatbots, which help the eventually experienced developers to write the piece of code and avoid the boilerplate code. And that is the reason a lot of jobs might be at risk. This is what the experts say due to the AI and generative AI. Now, on top of that, there is a term called as vibe coding that has been trending right now, which is coined by the OpenAI co-founder, Mr. Andrej. And that simply means that you can write any language, any code that you want to create, any application that you want to create, any functionality that you want to add into any software. You just have to write it in plain English. The application or the coding platform like Cursor AI, Bolt, Lovable, all these applications can create the application for you. Okay. Now, on the other hand, there is one interesting thing that is happening. That is the layoffs. Why? Because the top management is being redundant. They are being removed in companies like Google and Microsoft. Why? Again, the important reason here is that their top management, okay, basically comprises of people who are having experience more than 10 years, 15 years, even 20 years. People who are early 50s or late 40s. These people are at the top position like vice president, product owner, and other things, right? Now, what is happening that the company has to pay a lot of things, lot of salary to these people who are having high experience, right? The same thing is happening right now in companies like Google and Microsoft, where under the name of restructuring, they are laying off the top and middle level management. In companies like TCS and Infosys, the middle management is not paying all the variable pay or quarterly variable bonuses that they are expecting. And that is the reason middle management is worried right now. On top of that, I want to discuss that the middle management is highly paid, right? And that is the reason what again happens that they can hire two different people at lower experience and train them to work along with the top management. So that is the reason they are again getting one opportunity to reduce the cost, the employee benefits or employee salaries that they are paying. Now, there was a recent podcast that went viral by Mr. Shantanu Deshpande, who is the CEO of Bombay Shaving Company. He also mentioned that the people in the late 40s are at risk. They are highly possibility that they can be laid off from their current organization because they have a lot of house EMIs, car EMIs, their parents, their kids, or parents who are retired, right? A lot of things that they have to pay for. And that is a time where the man is or the person is basically having a lot of risk of layoff. Okay, and if that person is being laid off, then he might not have a good sources of income to finish all the EMIs and other things, right? So this is the current scenario. So I want to know from all of you guys, if you are someone who is in their early 40s or late 40s, then I want to know from you what is the current scenario in the IT market and what is the current scenario in your company that you are working in. So do let us know in the comment section, what do you feel about the layoffs in mid 40s or late 40s or even early 50s of your career. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. Hope you all have a great day.